Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video, way to marketing in 3D is the winning marketing strategy tool up to date by Sangwar's teams in February blogs. 3D technology and challenge the game and market access industries where quality becomes an integral part any army digital marketing strategy. And for good reason. It's the bias genre and there always brand needed to fund invent ways to give these prospective customer a witnessed experience with 3D marketing tools used to tell your brand story in a new approach way to anywhere and drive platform brand after use their tools and allow access customer to explore product and service target visitor requirement that's ultimately short the brand classical and general more confident strategy customer then turns into and lister category blog case street future sync helps news product update recent post second World 2021 install using confirmation welcome to Sangwork Labs visitors makes me tours how do these messes up the post lockdown world March product update a brand new second World future sign ups and makes max ball. But what really is 3D marketing? In short, 3D marketing add a three-discovered activity where to regular 2D advertisement or website you are likely see in action 3D modes of product which provides new option for brand demos and how to product trust work is a result has limited the growing challenge any business becomes response what these benefits integrate 3D into any market integrate regulation of industries. There are a few core benefits of strategy on storage 3D internet any advertisement market compress press website interface. Here are a few basic customer can be fully admitted is many be 2021 but to the medium side still limitation we customer corporate professional customer attraction provide designer can only do so much it sound exchange graphic it still can fully immersions is audience varies that's where 3D marketing the best it is help comfortable sound up from the provide store of the provide and more customer and interaction reviews and revenue for you see more which will 3D average growing these are visitor of tools and operates to united 3D into your day-to-day marketing content graphic process give them improvement feature experience that can target their are confident brand product and service life with 3D median once the most promoted challenge marketing force its communication this product value feature and foundation in way to store customer that challenge every more than for online shopping and retail industry 3D mailing use give these purchase confidence to product of service these singing up to limited by removes and designation almost marketing channels to push target this by junior and processor. 3D marketing save money in long run, and it is no wonder 3D marketing and such iterate and directory offer customer and useful high rules of the short term and every more than is long online and social media platform continue to risk deposit and powerful vertical 3D marketing compression just smart but nextly to keep your revenue and biggest industry your best gain broad and new before prices start to risk and investment because outside our your risk reach. Now these are just some to benefit that can improve any industry. Let's break down a few ways to visitor industry can track their buttons and like with 3D marketing tools. Share your brand story with videos and continue to play roles and communication and brand story service and product 3D allow these business to take other level of optimization music great real estate farms tools organization higher education organization is operated in activities particular and story to continue to edge with their customer new and easy constitution ways limit for goal bar limit at average 3D improves experience to tell stories around it. The machine levels improvement and other can support the course and bring their tools and supply clan expect to bear for great good. Highlights product downways customer are available intact product target visitor experience brand can help this customer feel more confident and purchase depending the industry can also allow business demonstration of product foundation and clearly content the value benefit and well 3D technology compressor online retailers medical technical tools more can all find value marketing their product demonstration and 3D non-branded impression in outside experience showing how to business can digital the product into 3D visitor object for possible customer and each selling result requirement just improvement product will 3D go to access sale supported we all now and take many touch point for a prospect more target finally and fund theme sale every offer prospect conversation into let customer this will always be offer sale product support cost also now is customer support and effect to limit this it make it effect and access for the customer base not creation and designation to product merchandise visitor industry helped it the customer and provide target experience that's one of ways 3D marketing can come into play. Retailer company jobs active use The 3D visitor story guide online customer target the buyers. Junior provide information in each individual product, internship, visitor experience, and easy, useful marketing purchase. The future is 3D market times and before 3D become is north technology and can yearly reported and business changing the customer active reported with current customer optimization the marketing your business increase your business articles when typing your next step to do use fund 3D tools that's watermark and button line no many but 3D maximum experience what is best learn more about product discover how to business can benefit from embedded technology tutorial your website and explore some the project had over years by clicking buttons yours confirm that you are agree with our following in terms get started today's what are baking your firm's strategy will allow your experience continue that's your love and information physical experience work provide and profitable process for your education space and use estimate employees and get useful course